Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova Y70 and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started we will want to hold power key, disregard the language selection right here. After holding it a little bit longer it shows up with the boot options, so select power off. And once the phone is off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now once the Huawei logo shows up, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now, in here, you will use the volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And with that in mind, we can leave this mode, we can clear data, which I believe only includes, actually it has factory reset and wipe cache partition. We have update mode and also save mode. So as you've seen, whatever you want to confirm, the option that is selected, you do so by pressing the power key. Now because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with the first option, which simply reboots the device and takes me back to Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.